Hello, welcome to another episode of the Dental Podcast with Glow Medical Center. I, Dr. Zoeb Kachwala, am a practicing general dentist here, and today I would like to speak with you regarding the relationship between the oral cavity, our mouth, and pregnancy. Now, there seems to be a lot of misinformation regarding this, and what I hope to achieve with today's podcast is to have some clarity on the issue. Now, we have a lot of women patients complaining that they used to have good teeth, but after their pregnancy, they are facing a lot of dental issues, be it bleeding gums or some cavities, bad breath, or even in some cases, loose teeth. And they tend to correlate all of these issues with pregnancy. Now, to understand why these symptoms are occurring, let's just break it down into simpler terms. So first of all, when a woman is pregnant, there will be a lot of hormones, there will be a lot of physiological changes which is happening inside the body, and those changes will have their effects in the mouth as well. So let's say most of the women will have a lot of issues of vomiting or acidity issues during their first trimester or the second trimester, and vomiting is a lot of acidity by itself has a tendency to regurgitate into the mouth, so that will lead to certain amount of sensitivity of teeth because of the enamel wearing off with all the acids. The other thing is that a lot of them will have bleeding gums or some amount of swelling in the gums, which is basically an exaggerated response from the body to even minor infections or minor plaque or minor amount of debris of food. So this is just an exaggerated response, and all it requires is a thorough cleaning. Another thing is with cavities. Now, this is not exactly related to pregnancy, but it's rather related to the poor oral hygiene. So if someone is pregnant, they are not going to be able to have the 3 meals that we usually have because of, as earlier mentioned, acidity issues or vomiting issues. They will be having multiple smaller snacks, which results in a continuous intake of food, which is providing food to the bacteria in the mouth as well. Also, it may not be possible for them to brush every time they are vomiting or every time they are eating something. Even after pregnancy, once the baby is born, you sleep according to the baby, you eat according to the baby. So you're not going to have the kind of oral hygiene which you were maintaining earlier, resulting in a lot of cavities. Now, the most common thing which does happen and which is related to pregnancy is loosening of teeth. So while a lady is in the third trimester of pregnancy and the body is preparing to deliver the baby, there will be a lot of hormones which are trying to soften the bones and the ligaments so that the body is able to deliver the baby. That applies to the oral cavity as well. As a result, a lot of people will find that the teeth are a little loose in the mouth. Women who've had orthodontic treatment done and had fixed retainers which had broken earlier but the teeth were fine in place, suddenly will realize that the teeth have started moving again. So this is all because of the laxity of bone, which is usually the case in the third trimester of pregnancy. And once the baby has been delivered, the body starts recuperating from the same and the teeth are fixed in their position again. There will be certain treatments which will be required in case of movement of teeth. This was the relationship between the oral cavity and pregnancy and some common misconceptions in a very concise manner. We do advise you that if you are planning to have a baby in the coming days, please come visit us for a free consultation where we can discuss these things in detail and also guide you on the things to be done, things to be avoided, and also how to take care of your newborn and avoid these things from happening for your child. Thank you so much.